Today I want my eyeshadow to be rhinestones. So let's get into it. For skincare and skin prep, going in with Yapoda, Estee Lauder, Belief, and Tatcha. This stuff is so moisturizing. It's crazy. My skin is wet. Mixing a gorgeous lavender for my foundation using the Glisten Spectra Base foundation. Some Glisten wet liner. For blush, some more Glisten and Trixie Cosmetics Play Pigments. Some setting powder. I'm just going in and making my blush pop just a little bit more with some Made by Mitchell pressed blushes. Some Jackie Frost from Trixie Cosmetics to top of my lips. And as always, topping everything off with some Crystal Parade rhinestones.